Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's J2O Kingdom Real FOREX King for another daily market recap for Wednesday, September 16th. So, pretty much Wednesday, there was pretty much a lot of news. There's still news events for later on today. The A's session with AUD and New Zealand. There should be like a lot of movements for these pairs in the next few hours. But right now, today was FMOC, which created some momentum through the New York session. And we'll take a look at the effects on the market. Let's look at GBP USD. So GBP USD pretty much uptrend, as you can see, respecting the trend line still, creating higher highs. So you got capitalized during London and New York session. Overall buy move. New York session kind of went down a little bit doing FOMC, but nothing too crazy. GBP JPY. Let's look at this chart and see what's up. So pretty much this pair pretty much been dropping during like New York session. It's pretty much consolidating too, as you can see. It retested this area, this high, and then it started consolidating back down. But I'm still focusing on overall uptrend for GPJPY. There's probably gonna be a breakout as the week continues, and we're gonna break this high and probably continue to this area over here. Right now, the market is retesting this area again. So I expect a breakout probably to Asian session to London session. So let's look at AUD USD. So this pair pretty much dropped during New York session. As you see, it dropped down. Caught the sales if you just focus on sales for New York session. London, it did go up to London, but then came back down during all New York session. Now for the Dow, pretty much the Dow was an uptrend during New York session. Right now, everybody start Asian session. So I do expect more of a bullish move for the US 30 based on what's happening in the economy. And then for gold, for all my gold traders, it went up a lot during Asian to London session, and then it came back down to New York session gold. But I do see bullish momentum for gold, so I will focus on buy opportunities. Probably come back in the zone area. Probably readjust the trend line because right now it looks like it broke the trend line, but I'm not sold on the sell confirmations fully. I feel like it's gonna be a fake out for sells, but I just focusing mainly on buys right now for gold. See if we retest back to the 1970 area. So we'll see. But pretty much gold came back down to the New York session. Right now, GBP USD is a clean pair to trade. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, right now this trend line get respected as at the T. So if it does come back down, come back down to the trend line and then reject and bounce back up. So I'm mainly focusing on buys, so looking for better entries, and patience is key unless you want to do like buy limits and stuff or buy stops. But that's pretty much it. Like, come subscribe. Let me know what you think. This is my analysis so far for GBP pair, GBJPY. Obviously, it's gonna be a breakout soon. Every time you see this crazy consolidation for days, you know it's gonna be a breakout. And if you look at the news for what Asian session, there's a lot of news. Then you see Thursday, there's a lot of news for GBP pairs. So I expect crazy movements during London session tomorrow. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hey, already know we out here. Peace.